In this video, you will see how to make a table in Word with different columns. As you can see, I have these columns and they are of different size. It's very easy. When you first insert the table, you will get all the columns of the same size. However, to get the different columns, there are different ways. In the first method, you can simply click on the vertical line of the table and then you can move it right or left to change the column width. So this is the first method, and in the second method, which is a merge method, you can simply select two or multiple cells like this, right click on them and then click on merge cells to get different column. If you want the columns to be of the size that you have control on, you can simply click inside the cell, then go to the table layout tab here, and next to the width you can specify the width. For example, I am setting here 5 and pressing enter will give me different column width, and I can just click inside the cells and then enter the width, for example 5, and later on I can also adjust them manually if I want to, like this. In this way you can easily have a control over column width and get different columns in Microsoft Word table. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn more about Microsoft Word table. See you again in the next one.